Hello everyone, my name is Khalifa Alameri. I am the co-product owner at Gofa Industries for Team Task Force X. Now, before we get into the presentation, I would just like to say that this video is made because I was not able to attend the panel due to health conditions. Now let's get into the first page. Okay, so the first contribution, I believe it's a HD contribution, which is the deliverable of the data dashboards, which is from chapter Data Science and AI. And in this chapter, I decided to take ownership of the whole document. I completed it on my own as my team's product had no implementation or integration of AI, so this was a compensation. I believe this is a HD task or contribution because the document was very long and took me more than 10 hours to complete as it's research based. And here you can see the feedback or the response from the leader of the chapter. Now, the product pitch is the second exemplary or HD contribution that I made. First of all, the first point was the product owner and the Scrum Master were both unavailable, which meant that I had to do this alone. I took responsibility of doing the whole pitch and getting as much help as I can from the team members. I worked on and refined the presentation slides. I prepared a storyline and practiced pitching techniques. The product demonstration was successful, and we were one of the 3 teams chosen to attend InnoFest and represent Gofa Industries. Now, as a team that was very, very behind at the start of the trimester, this was something to be really proud of. The progress and the advancement that Team Task Force X has gone through in the past 2 months. We are very proud, and that the work that we did was presented very well, and that the unit chairs and the professors were able to see our work, as we did not present in the first product pitch. So this was our first product pitch. Now, this is the feedback from the executives, as you can see here. This is Sadman, the mentor, and this is Zainab, the CEO of the company. Now, the third contribution was the Trello backlog. Even though it's our responsibility to complete this as the CO product owners, however, due to our delay in progress, we started on the backlog 1 day before the start of Sprint 4. It has been 1 week since I joined, because I joined 1 month late, and I was only in the team for 1 week, but in that 1 week I caught up on everything, and I was able to complete the backlog and the cards professionally. Andrew and I stayed in a meeting for a total of approximately 7 hours, completing the cards in the best possible manner. I believe it's a HD level contribution because the impact that these 7 hours before Sprint 4 had was enormous. The development of the team and the progress of the team was evident in the end of the trimester. We became more productive, and we became more productive, and we also became there was also a boost in morale and in motivation, because everything was set out very clearly, and the developers could just go and see the cards in the backlog and choose whichever they see that it suits them the best, and they can choose it and contribute in that respect and regard. Now, As you can see here, the 7-hour progress comparison, over 40 new cards added in the product backlog. As you can see, when we started the meeting, it was empty, and here even the mouse bar is very small. So we had 40 tasks that were very specific and very detailed. Now this is the evidence of the meeting and the working time. So first we worked for 4 hours, and then we worked for another 3 hours. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.